Hi there, I'm going to take you through our 2022 Harris 250 CX center walk-through dual helm Tri-Toon. This boat is stock number HF20892. You'll find this boat in midnight blue here with the French gray interior. You also have the boat packaged with a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury that has the hydraulic steering included. Performance Package 2 is what you'll find. Great boat for all your water sports and getting some good performance out of this boat. It's a nice look at the exterior. You have a 10-foot bimini that's also been optioned on this boat. So we head back to the swim platform. You'll notice the 4-step stainless steel ladder. You also have your ski tow bar that's been optioned. This boat has also been optioned with an upgraded sound system. The stereo package includes one JL head and 6 speakers. We also have rope lighting at the seat bases. Good look at the French gray interior. Cup holders with charging ports. The dual helm seats also are the Ultralux high back. Very comfortable seats. This boat has also been optioned with the Simrad Go 7 chart plotter. Not pictured here is a table, which Harris allows you to kind of select where you'd like to input it. So at the time of delivery, you get to choose where we drop the fitting in, and you can put your table wherever you want it. Also not pictured here are 2 fenders that clip in very easily to fender clips. The flooring is their gray flooring. And this is the premier trim level for this Harris Cruiser. Thank you for taking a moment. Please give us a call here in Sturgeon Bay with any questions you might have. Thank you much.